So Bybykoi, right there, boom, sent me this super cool light up crochet hook set. I'm so excited. So we have a charging cable, and this, I left it on because I was already playing with it. So it has 2 levels of light to go in there, and all of these, I like that they're actually labeled and I don't have to guess. It's hard to read from there, but you can kind of see, like, here's a 4.5, and then you just stick it in and give it a good twist like this, and you are set up. And not only can you do lights, but you can also count your rows and your stitches. Coolest thing. Coolest thing. I've never had like a bougie one like this, so I'm so excited for this. It also came with a seam ripper, another like piece that you can use all the same pieces for when you don't need to count your rows or need it to light up, so you can still use them with this ergonomic. Like, this one feels really nice. I love this. I'm already obsessed. It came with a tension ring, which I've never had one of these, and this one's super cute. It has like a little cat on it. Love this. I might have to widen it. I got wide knuckles. And then a little, I'm not sure what the little wrench is for. Yeah, not sure on the wrench, but it also came with this, so it's right there when you need it, when I'm making projects. I love this. And the hooks go all the way up to size, let's see, what is this? Here's the biggest one right here, and this is a size 14. So look at that big one for my nice thick yarn. This is such a nice set. Like, it's got all the colors in there, and everything fits in there perfectly. Super easy. Just twist, and then they all have their place. And then there's a metal set up here. So I just used the metal set with this one, but I like that I can also use the plastic ones in here, because this is like the crochet spot. We even got a hook up there somewhere for a crochet bag for working on projects, and everything fits really well in here, so I can have it all ready to go. Look at that, and it's got a nice zipper that zips all the way around in the purple case that will fit super neatly in your crochet bag. Obsessed with this thing already. So cool.